Hey everyone, I hope you are up for this week's Grab and Go for school age kids because we have a mystery STEM challenge. So you will be receiving a bag full of goodies, and in that bag you will receive a challenge card. Oh, upside down for this one. But anyways, you'll receive a challenge card. We have a whole bunch, and you'll receive a whole bunch of material that you can work with to come up with a solution. So some of the stuff that may be in your bag is craft sticks, string. You may get toilet paper or paper towel rolls, pipe cleaner. You may get straws. You may get rubber bands. You may get paper plates. And using the stuff that is only in the bags, you are challenged to come up with a solution to the question that is on your challenge card. We would love to see your creative problem solving. So if you can take a picture and use a hashtag PPL Imagine Your Story, we would love to see anything you can come up with using the materials that are going to be in your mystery STEM challenge. Are you up for a challenge? Thank you very much. And I look forward to seeing you in the library soon. Bye.